does he know this? This is getting...
Can make a shirt.
Oh my gosh. Honey, I love it. What'd you get, Charlie? You got a movie. Tommy, did you get a movie?
No.
What's this?
What is it?
What movie did you get?
Oh, Captain America. I think he remembered
So,
you.
who got this?
A chocolate bunny.
Tommy, look. Your own big balls. What's that? Those are the superhero undies?
No soccer things.
I think those might look like underwear.
Okay. I got my own thing.
Oh my gosh, it's like
Yeah.
mine. You got your own big boy cups?
Oh no! That's for an ocean. Ooh, I know.
Oh my gosh, chocolate pretzels and Milano's?
Oh, I need
Who's that? Which one? Tommy, you got a big boy cup.
And look, Iron Man.
You guys say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
You guys got spoiled by this Easter bunny. What's that, Tommy?
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Tommy, can you say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
It's like Mommy's cup.
And mine.
What'd you get? What's that? Who's on it? Can you open it?
Wait, yeah, here. Oh, I see. It's a Spidey shirt.
Oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding. Oh my gosh, that's cool. Did you see the front of that, Charlie?
Oh, come on.
That is amazing. You can wear that to school this week. What kind of candies are you going to buy them?
Kit Kat.
Oh,
Also and another kit.
he's so strong. Show me how strong.
Me.
Let me see. Hold it up for the camera.
Mama, look at what I all got. Oh, and every time we open these? Yeah.
What?
We open these.
Those are from TT and Granddaddy. Maybe we'll open